Imagine running a business where every decision feels like a juggling act. You're constantly managing inputs, outputs, and hoping nothing crashes down. Now, picture a world where AI and automation handle the juggling for you, but not in the way you've been sold. Today, we're diving into how AI as infrastructure and automation as leverage can truly transform your operations, not just add more tools to your belt. Let's address the elephant in the room. Most businesses misuse AI. It's not because they're not smart or hardworking. It's because they're trapped in a cycle of tool obsession. They buy into the hype, thinking the latest AI tool will solve all their problems. But here's the truth: AI is not a magic wand, it's infrastructure. It's the backbone that supports your systems, not a shiny new toy to play with. In reality, automation should be your leverage, not your convenience. It's not about making your life easier in the short term. It's about creating systems that remove human dependency and reduce mental load. This is where most operators go wrong. They implement automation to handle repetitive tasks, but fail to see the bigger picture. They don't realize that true automation is about designing workflows that can withstand pressure, not just handle the day-to-day grind. Let's talk about real-world examples. In sales, automation can predict customer behavior, but if your system can't integrate this data into actionable insights, it's useless. In operations, automation can streamline processes, but without the right sequencing and failure modes, it's just chaos waiting to happen. And in delivery, automation can optimize logistics, but if the infrastructure isn't robust, you're left with a fragile system that collapses under stress. The key is understanding that AI should serve as decision architecture, not just software. It's about creating a framework that guides your business decisions, not just executing them. This is where the sequence, integration, and failure points come into play. You need to think about how your systems interact, how they integrate with each other, and what happens when things go wrong. Most operators miss these system level truths. They focus on the tool, not the system. They look at what AI can do, not how it fits into their existing operations. They're so busy trying to keep up with the latest trends that they forget to ask the fundamental question: how do these systems behave under pressure? Here's the uncomfortable truth: if you ignore this topic for another year, your business will break. Not because you lack intelligence or effort, but because you're holding too much in your head that should live in systems. You'll face decision fatigue, mental load, and a creeping resentment towards the very tools you thought would help. So let's recalibrate. Let's rethink how we approach AI and automation. Let's strip away the tool obsession and focus on building systems that work. Because when systems work, you're not just running a business. You're building a machine that operates with precision, clarity, and efficiency. To wrap up, remember this: AI and automation should be the infrastructure that supports your business, not just another tool in your arsenal. They should provide leverage, not just convenience. And most importantly, they should remove human dependency, not add to your mental load. It's time to rethink, recalibrate, and rebuild. Because once you see this, you can't unsee it,